Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So now we are going to deal with the another question for the Python programs practice, and that is write a Python program to remove duplicates from a list. Okay, so this is my program. This is my program which I need to write out. I need to write out a Python program to remove out the duplicates from a list. Okay, let's see that basically how I'll be doing. First, let me go on to the OneNote here. Okay, let me come down here. Let me get out some blank space and let me take out some pen as well. Fine here. Okay, so my program is to remove the duplicates from a list. So let's say I have taken a list that is my underscore list, and I define out a list here. Let's say that is having 1, comma 2, comma again 1, comma 3, comma 4, then again 2, then 6, then 9, then again I have 4. Let's say this is the list which I am having. Okay. So from this, I need to remove the duplicate. Duplicates are here 1, 2, and 4. These three are the duplicates which I am having into my list because they are repeated second time into my list. Right. So this is what I need to remove out from here. Fine. Now, how will I be doing this thing? So for doing out this thing, I'll be using out the sets. Okay. Because in sets we have that they are used to remove all the duplicates, right? So in that I'll be using out the set here. Let me make out a variable that is items. Okay, items is equal to, and I would save out my set here. Okay, items is equal to set. Now coming to a new line, I'll be writing again here, and that is items underscore unique. Items, unique items which I have, and that I'll be storing inside my list, right? Applying out my for loop that for I in my underscore list. Okay, so for I in my underscore list, come on to a new line. If condition goes that if I not in items. If I is not in items, then what you need to write here is that then you need to write that items underscore unique, and now you need to use out here one function, and that function is actually the append function, that is to add out that number into my list. Okay, if this is the condition, and then other than that into my items one, then what I need to do into that as well, I need to add out that I. Okay, and simply after this print out my variable which is items. Right, this is how we'll be proceeding up with this program. Let me do one thing. Let me go on to the PyCharm IDE and let me implement out this thing here. Okay, so items. Let's say items underscore copy. This is my variable name. Okay, and other than this, first of all, I need to declare out my list. That is my underscore list. Okay, and list I'm having 1 comma, that is 1 comma 6 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma again 6 comma 9 comma 3. Okay, let's say this is the list which I am having out here. Now I will be defining out my variable that is items. Okay, that is items underscore copy. Okay, into this I'll be saving out a set because that is used for finding out the finding out the unique values. So in that case, I'm just using out the set here. Okay. Okay, that is COPY right here. Moving to the next line, I'll be using here items underscore diff. That is the different items which I have, and into this I'll be passing out a blank list to save out all of my different elements which I have into my list, right? Applying my for condition that for I in my underscore list. Okay, that is my underscore. Just 1 second. So for I in my underscore list, right? After this, I'll be using another condition that if I not in items underscore copy. Basically I is not in the items underscore copy, that is like if you do not have any duplicate item, then in that case simply write here that items underscore different, items underscore that is different dot append. That is, add that element to your items underscore different, that is your blank list. Add that particular element into that list. If it is basically, if it is not copied many a times into the whole list, then copy this element onto a new list which is absolutely blank, right? And here I'll be writing another one, that is items underscore copy dot add, and into the bracket I'll be writing here as I, right? Coming out of my loops, and I would simply use out my print statement, print, and I will be printing here my items underscore copy. Okay, okay, that would be not copy, that is okay, that one is here for the, yes, copy, it's right, copy, fine. And now I would just run this out here. Now, just see what I have got here. I have got here the answer, which here I have got out a list which is not having any of the duplicates values. My real list was having duplicate value, that was 1, this 2, it was even having 3, and it was even having 6. These were the 4 duplicate values which were into my list, but all of them have been removed out from here, and I have got out my list which is having none of the duplicate values into it, right? This is how we write out the program for finding out the duplicate, for removing out the duplicate item into a list. So my question was to write out a Python program to remove the duplicate items from a list. Right, so I hope that you have got a clear and a fair idea regarding that how you to implement this out, what are the things how we do, and how do you need to apply out the concept which you have already studied in the Python and all those things. Right, so this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.